What's up, guys? Welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a really great website for AI tools, all right? Many AI tools available, all right? Instead of like downloading apps, all right? Or even if you're using your desktop, all right? It's not only for the mobile phones, all right? It's for your desktop as well, all right? So let's move to the Safari, all right? And show you the website, which is letsview.com, all right? When you open it, right, you will see all these, all right, options available here. This option is just like hot, right? Let's move, to that one now. Now, concerning the text tools available, all right, there are like many great websites, all right, available. Now, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. The other one, this is just like the ChatGPT for concerning the text tools, all right, text AI tools, all right. And then you have the Notion AI, all right, Grammarly, Copy AI, and the rest. The list is very long, right? Maybe. Now, for image tools, all right, AI tools. Now, you have DALL-E 2, okay, an AI image generation tool developed by OpenAI. Midjourney, all right, Pickwish AI, Runway, and many others available. This is concerning just we can say the image generation, and sometimes some of them are not only for generating like photos or we say images, all right. Of course, some of them are like used to, like, for example, to remove backgrounds, and you can edit photos, all right, and do many other things, great things, okay, with all these options available here, which are like great we say websites, okay, concerning the image AI tool, right? Let's move to the audio, okay? You have more than one option also available here, right? So this one is the Descript, okay? And the next one, Google Text to Speech, right? Amazon Poly, Brain FM, Poly AI, and the rest. Now, concerning the videos, all right, the video AI tool, you have Runway, DID, all right, Peach, and the rest, okay. Now, for even for coding, okay, we have like a couple of options available here, all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 6 options available here, all right. If you're after coding, okay, and you're after coding AI tool, right, you can, I'm sure you'll find what you're after, okay. Now, some other options available here, all right, like the Beautiful AI, a cloud-based presentation platform. This is for those who want to like make presentations, okay. The second one, the AI composing emotional soundtrack music, and the rest, okay. So open it, guys. I'm sure you will find the thing that you want to, okay. Concerning the AI, you cannot, right, we can say skip this website, which you can find. Of course, I'm sure that you will find the website and the tool that you want to use concerning AI. See you next time, and please subscribe for more content like this one, okay, and share with your friends, okay.